Hi, my name's Ben. I'm a UK-based mountain leader, and on this series, Pennine Way Journey. So this is how this first episode's going to pan out. I'm going to show you what I'm taking with me on the Pennine Way, and then I'm going to show you how I'm packing it. There's a few bits that I'm missing, however, I'm pretty much there. Let's get to it. Inside the pack, we've got this, the rubble sack, waterproof bag, the pack, which is empty. First thing that's going to go in the rubble sack is the sleeping bag. And then I've got the inner for my tent, pillow, like a fleecy microfiber top. I've got a down jacket, which has seen better days. I've got this thing. This thing has gone everywhere with me. I used it in the army. I don't think I can go without it. It's a bit of a comfort blanket, stroke condensation wiper offer, stroke towel to get dry with. So that's going. Got some leggings, 3 pairs of socks, and I'm wearing a pair. These are the trainers that I'm taking, Vivo barefoot things. These are the shorts that I'm wearing. Under Armour thing is the base layer that I'm going to be wearing. It's got like a little hood, so I can put my hood up if I want to. We've got a spare anchor charger, and I've got another one over there which I will use in my fanny pack. This book, which is sections of the Pennine Way, and in the back it's got 1 in 25,000 route map booklet, so that's basically the mapping for the Pennine Way. Notebook journal thing, Mozinet, don't think I'm going to need it for the midges, but you never know. All that stuff there is going in my rubble sack, and this stuff here in the rubble sack, in the top of my pack. First aid kit, my food, and then these are in the side pouches. Got my jet boil, my gas burner, coffee filter plunger thing, liners, glove liners, and then some thin sealskin gloves, like a GoPro head mount, and this is a selfie stick. This also goes in that side pouch. It's my Petzl head torch. In the front here, I'm going to have the outer of my tent, and then my waterproofs, trousers, my tent poles, and my pegs. My Fanny pack. My Patagonia windbreaker, anchor charger, poles that sit on the outside of my pack, 3 batteries for the GoPro, and a charging unit so I can charge that on the go, 3 USB socket plugs. I've got 4 batteries for the camera, however there's one in there right now as I'm filming, so spare 32 gig memory card, and then I've got a 128 gig memory card in the camera, my phone, and a waterproof case for it, charging leads that I need, a bag to put all the wires in and the spare batteries, and a bag to put this camera in that I'm using right now. That is it. I've got a few more things I need to get, like Vaseline for my feet, and obviously there's no water bottles there, and that is me packed. So I will pack all this back in the bag now and show you how it looks packed. This is how I'm going to pack my bag. A sleeping bag, pillow, the inner of my tent, little fleece thing just in case I need it, tights, a little comfort blanket, my socks in there, 3 pairs of socks, spare anchor, power bank, and my journal, and the maps. Midgie net, my Mozzie net, I don't need that. Down jacket. Take my food bag, first aid kit, poles down the side here, pegs next to the poles, or the roll mat on the top there. In the front pouch, the outer of my tent. So waterproof trousers, waterproof jacket. Right, and then now I've got these side pouches here and here. My jet boil, that's just gonna pop in there. And then in this side, my inner and my outer gloves, my head torch, my selfie stick, and that GoPro head mount, litres of water. The only thing that I've got left now is my fanny pack, all the wires and everything, Ziploc bag, spare batteries, memory cards. This bad boy is to put like the camera in, the anchor charger, my earbuds which are here, my lapel mic which is here, and my recorder which is in my pocket, and the camera which I'm actually using now will all go in here. My phone, windproof Patagonia jacket, my phone goes in there, my shades can fit in there too, and then like some snacks for the day. I look forward to sharing my Pennine Way journey with you, and I hope that I can do it justice.
Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, hit the bell so that you get like a notification whenever I upload, and leave a comment in the next one in a bit.